Alright everybody, just Ron, Four Seasons Barbecue, and I'm going to take you guys out for my first cook in my new copper Weber kettle, 22 inch. Another plane going by. Anyway, let's get this baby fired up. I'm going to use some tumbleweeds. Alright, when this baby's ready to cook on, sorry about cutting in front of you, we will bring it back. Oh, I'm doing 2 great big pork steaks and 2 great big pork chops. Wait till you see these things. They are huge. Alright, while I'm waiting for the grill to get up to temperature, we're going to season these with Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. So I like the heat. And I'm going to use some Morton sea salt. Now I'm going to put the salt on first because it'll draw moisture out of the meat. Some people don't like the word moist, so I'll try not to. Well, I ain't going to try. The word moist doesn't bother me. Why would it? It means your meat ain't dried out. It's nice and moist. But anyway, this draws out the moisture. Another reason you don't need a binder. Your meat's already moist. Just pat it down. The moisture of the meat will hold the seasonings on. I like to annoy Karens. No offense to my friends that are actually named Karen. I don't know why your name got tied to that, but it's one of life's mysteries, I guess. I do have some friends named Karen, and they know that I'm not banging on them. But for the people out there that are Karens, I love to annoy the crap out of you. Goodness gracious. Excuse me. Tony's gets me every time. Flip these babies over, season the other side. As Emerald used to say, nobody likes one-sided tasting food. Now look how thick these pork chops are. It's probably a good 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Now, can't use that hand. Well, I can use that hand, I just won't use my fingertips. Oh, look there. Forgot to put my salt down first. That's alright. The meat's still moist, so it'll hold the seasoning. But I like my salt, so I'm going to salt it anyway. I like when people say, oh, it's a good sized piece of beef or a big piece of meat. Make sure you season it really good. And they'll go like that. No, this is how you season meat. Just like that. I love the way Cosmo seasons his stuff before he's going to grill it. Alright, that's looking good. and all that salt on there should make sure that my meat is nice and moist. Bring it back here in a little bit. Alright, we got our cooking grate on. Now, let's add some hickory wood. And then I'm going to go in and shut that heat pump off. Since it just came on. Let the hickory chunks get up and start smoking. Open this grate up. Oh yeah, don't forget, before you start cooking, you gotta click them tongs. Otherwise you're gonna have bad luck. I'm gonna shut that heat pump off real quick so you can listen to that. Alright, I can see white smoke coming out of the vents here. And this thermometer over here says it's 450 degrees. Yeah, it's smoking, burning my eyes. There's one pork steak. Oh yeah, it's burning my eyes. Ain't that a beautiful sight? Just let them get to cooking and bring you guys back. Alright, let's check out the meat, see if it's ready to flip. You can sure smell that hickory wood. Oh yeah, she looking pretty good. Yeah, it could be. Oh yeah, that pork chop looking good. Wood's starting to flame up since I took the lid off. Alright. Oh yeah, whenever you touch raw pork, make sure you wash off your tongs. I don't know if you really have to. I never have before, but lately I've been hearing about it. But let's let that cook. Well, it looks like the Weber thermometer ain't too far off. I'd say about 425, 430. It says it's 456, well, it was up to like 460, now it's going down. But it don't look like it's too far off. Gonna let that cook a little bit longer. I just wanted to show you guys the difference in temperatures. With the Weber thermometer, ain't doing too bad. Alright, let's give it another check. They're getting that smoky look to them, aren't they? Oh yeah. That's looking good in the neighborhood. I know they ain't ready yet. Let's give them a check. I know that says 151. That can't be right already. 165. This one's only 140. Well, it's down to 127. So this one must be done because it's sitting over the middle part of the fire. Bring it over here. Bring this little guy in. Let's check out these pork steaks. That one's up to 170. That one's up to 180. Oh man, that smoke's burning my eyes. I'm gonna move these off in the direct flame there. Let this guy get more up to par. I don't mind taking my pork up to 170, 180. I know USDA or the FDA, whoever, says you can eat it at 145, but I want to be safe. Alright, took the 3 that were done off. The other one's still only up to 135. Cut into this baby. $170 or whatever it was. Still nice and shiny. Give us a nice bite here. Holy smokes. Moist, juicy, and you can taste that smoke. That's so good. Jump over here and get us a piece of this. Nice little piece of fat in there. Yummy. Oh man. Smoky. Goodness. Delicious. Anyway, I'll pull that other one out when it's ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. It's Ron, Four Seasons Barbecue, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.